Let's take a look at this question here to form an equation of normal. Firstly, normal is a straight line. So to form an equation of a straight line, we need two information, a point and a gradient. So let's take a look at the question there. We already have a point which is at 1, 2/3. So what we need is the gradient of the normal. And before we do that, we need to find gradient of tangent first by doing dy dx. Now let me re-express this y equals to, I'm going to change 1 over square root 10x minus 1 to 10x minus 1 raised to the power of negative half. And I'm going to rewrite this one as 1 over 3x. So first step, let's do a differentiation. So I'm going to do dy dx. Handling the power first, bring down power to the front and reduce the power by 1. Negative half minus 1 is going to be negative 3 over 2. Then we differentiate inside bracket. It will give me a 10 here. Differentiating 1 over 3x, the answer is 1 over 3. Let's simplify this one here. Negative half times 10, that's a negative 5. This is the gradient for this curve here. And we know we want a specific point, which is 1, 2/3. So the x coordinate value is 1. Let's replace that. So at x equals to 1, dy dx value will be, so I'm going to replace 1 here. So 1 times 10 is going to be 10 minus 1. I'll get 9. So let's do that. And from here, I'm going to just click my calculator. I'll be getting the answer as 4 over 27. Remember, dy dx is gradient for tangent. Let me write that down. So I know they are perpendicular. For tangent and normal, they are perpendicular. So I'm going to take the perpendicular gradient. So I will switch the sign to negative. And I will change this to reciprocal. So it will be 27 over 4. Now I have gradient. I have a point. Let's form the equation. So we have y minus y coordinate, which is 2 over 3 equals to gradient negative 27 over 4, x minus x coordinate, which is 1. Let me multiply this one in here. So I have y minus 2 over 3 equals to negative 27 over 4x. Negative going to give me positive 27 over 4. Now, next step here, we're going to multiply each term by 12, 12, 12, and 12. That will lead me to 12y minus 8 equals to negative 81x plus 81. Now, I'm going to express this as standard form. So I'm going to move x to the left. So I'll get 81x plus 12y. Keeping x and y on the left and moving negative 8 to the right, I have 81 plus 8. I'll get 89. So this is my equation of the normal for this question over here.